Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this particular set of videos, we are talking about differing aspects of good moral character and how it affects your ability to naturalize. Now, we've spoken about statutory grounds, discretionary grounds. Well, there's what's called a catch-all phrase where they can still deny the naturalization, and that is the commission of unlawful acts that reflect upon the applicant's moral character. So essentially what this is saying is that if there's anything anywhere that the naturalization officer can find that reflects upon your moral character, your good moral character, the naturalization can be denied. Now, there are cases out there that essentially say that that particular provision is void for vagueness. Also void because it is overbroad. And if you happen to be going through a naturalization proceeding and it's denied because of this provision, then you might want to consider appealing and or taking this to court, ultimately to federal court, because of it. Now, this catch-all phrase also has been upheld in many cases, but you have to look at each individual case and see what has happened. For example, there was a case involving a sex offense against a minor which was committed, and the person was arrested prior to citizenship, but was not found guilty until after. So that's one way. Another way is if there was, for example, a summary judgment on a particular conviction and regarding false testimony. There's been Medicare fraud, settlements of Medicare fraud, and various other items where criminal prosecution was not actually initiated, but the facts essentially came out. And so, as you can see, this is a catch-all particular type of item which is wide open. It's hard to limit it. So that's why it's a good idea to make sure your naturalization application is properly prepared so that nothing would fall under this catch-all phrase. And if it does, it's properly handled. Okay, more on the coming videos.